Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Psych Talk. Today, I will talk about progressive muscle relaxation. It is usually used in therapy and it can be used for a variety of symptoms such as anxiety, people with asthma, headaches, hypertension, insomnia, irritable bowel syndrome, and panic disorders. So, the aim of this type of quote unquote therapy is to achieve muscle and mental relaxation and basically practicing it every time you feel stressed or you're about to have a panic attack, etc. So basically, we tell the client to assume a passive and relaxed position, preferably in a quiet environment, while alternately contracting and relaxing muscles. We also ask the client to take deep breath followed by a long exhale. And also, we tell the client to focus on pleasant thoughts or images in order for them to let go. So, what we tell the clients is to actually at first feel and experience the tension building up and to notice the muscles getting very tight and to analyze this tension and to hold and fully experience the tension. And then the client is then taught to relax all the muscle while visualizing the various parts of the body, especially the facial muscles. So we want to make sure that the clients experience the difference between a tense and a relaxed state so that she or he knows the difference and how it feels in the body. And so what we do first is the arm muscles are relaxed, and then followed by the head, the neck, the shoulders, the back, the abdomen, and then the lower limbs. And what this does is basically relaxation becomes a well-learned response every time something unexpected happens and anxiety starts rising up and you feel your body shaky and your heart is beating faster and you're getting sweaty and you're full of adrenaline. And so the most common use has been with problems related to stress and anxiety, which are often manifested in psychosomatic symptoms. And also, relaxation training has benefits in areas such as preparing patients for surgery or teaching clients how to cope with chronic pain and reducing the frequency of migraine attacks. So, overall, progressive muscle relaxation is very useful if practiced every day, if possible, or weekly, so that you can learn in times of stress and anxiety how to relax your body and mind. And this is all for today's episode.